before moving on the next chapter of our lives. This year's theme, Your Gift of Learning, our tool for nation building, extends an appropriate invitation to each one of us. The gift of learning is a universal, one offered to every stakeholder in the education sector. To our dear graduates, remember that your newly harnessed values, knowledge, and skills shall comprise the building blocks of our society. The choices you make, the relationships you cultivate, the attitudes you bring to the school and work, these erect the pillars and walls of our rising nation. How beautiful and strong you desire this building to be depends a lot on you. To our rightfully proud parents, administrators, faculty and staff, your own gift to support and reform education are making it possible for us to hope for a better future. Yet, let us also remember that our actions and examples, more than our words, leave firmer imprints in the minds of the young. The integrity we bring into our homes and classrooms become the foundation of our own future. The justice, peace, and prosperity we yearn for strongly depend on the truth and faithfulness we invest today. We are all architects, engineers, and builders working together in this colossal project we call our country, the Philippines. I hope and pray that over and above each of our personal dreams for ourselves comes the larger dream of a united, fulfilled, and prosperous Filipino people. A dream that not only benefits a few, but one that benefits all. Congratulations on your achievement. Celebrate it, cherish it, and let it inspire to make your own contribution to the development of our nation. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Signed, Brother Armin A. Luistro, FSC, Secretary, Department of Education.